Hello, this is Mixed Media Dad. I'm going to do a pour, and we'll get started here. I'm going to use a split cup here. It's not enough, so I use another one. This is Amethyst Sapphire. Oh. This is blue green. That's emerald, looks like. Teal, oh well, okay. This one I know, Razzle Dazzle. Yes. Let's make a nice color combination. I'm gonna pour it over bottle bottom on an, it counts here, and spin it, not too hard. Okay, now I'm going to pour this. By the way, this is an experimental type bottle bottom. It's not out yet. Okay. Aha, there it comes. White. Where did the Razzle Dazzle go? Well, Razzle Dazzle apparently went. Just add some more. Now we got some Razzle Dazzle. Now I've been cautioned about spinning this too. Oh, I take that out first. Good idea. Set that down gently. Let it fill in the middle. All right. I'm going to give it a spin. Hope it doesn't fly on the camera. A little more spin. Now I can see some of our other artists that spin this a lot harder. You spin it hard enough, and it'll go into orbit. There we go. Oh, some green popping up. One more time. Yeah, we got some spinning. That's looking good. Okay. Kind of like the red coming out in the middle. All right, we should probably wait for a minute and let this settle down and then come in for a close-up to see what it looks like. Okay, it's still moving a little bit, but pretty much it's settled down. This is the bottom. On my right, the upper side, which I really like the swirls of white up there in the top left. Oh, that looks like a big fish getting away on the left, and back around to the bottom, and then an overall shot. I like it. I hope you did too. See you again soon.